In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Commonwealth EFTPOS machine. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use the Commonwealth machine to issue payments to any customers. As long as you have any version of the Commonwealth Bank EFTPOS machine, you will be able to input an amount that a customer can pay for. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a payment with any amount and the process of doing so. First, in the actual machine itself, you should be able to find the display where you can input the amount, so tapping the numbers displayed on the numpad on screen include the amount of this purchase, so for example $10, $20, $30, etc. After you include the amount, tap Purchase at the bottom. As long as you included a valid amount, you should be able to insert, swipe, or tap the card on screen to pay for the transaction that you've just created. Now, to confirm this transaction and use the Commonwealth EFTPOS machine, all that the customer has to do is insert, swipe, or tap their card. The customer can also use the option at the bottom right corner of the screen to check for any surcharges. So if they want more information regarding the surcharges, they just have to tap that option and all of them will be displayed on screen related to MasterCard credit cards, MasterCard debit cards, Visa credit cards, or Visa debit cards. If the customer agrees, all that you have to do is tap Accept and go back to the window. If they don't agree, just select Cancel Transaction and you will be reset back to the start at the numpad. But if you want to proceed with the transaction with the amount included, this is where the customer has to pay, so they can either insert, swipe, or pay contactlessly. And as long as they include a valid card, the transfer should go through instantly. You will get this on your screen telling you that the transaction is being authorized with the included surcharge, and if everything looks okay, it will be approved. If you get an error on screen, it is going to tell you why it failed, and you just have to repeat these steps. Afterwards, you will get the option to print the customer receipt if you wish. Just select whatever is best for you, and the transaction will be done through the Commonwealth EFTPOS machine. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Commonwealth EFTPOS machine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.